Tony sees a truck so green and bright, shining wheels and morning light. Big smiling face says hello, ready to clean the city below. Wow! Garbage truck feels so right. Tony climbs with happy cheer. Big truck door is open near. Steps are shiny, fun and tall. He feels excited, ready for all. Hey, let's go, adventure is here. Tony sits and holds the wheel, feeling joy that's truly real. Buttons glowing, colors bright, ready for a cleaning ride. A Tony drives, what a deal. Truck is moving down the street, cleaning mess with steady beat. Trees and people smile with joy. Tony helps every girl and boy. Cleaning city feels so sweet. Robotic arm goes up so high, picking trash beneath the sky. Bins are lifted one by one, cleanup work is so much fun. Pick the trash, passes by. Street is shining clean and bright. Everything looks pure and right. Tony smiles with happy face, helping clean city better place. Clean city, pure delight. Colors sorted left and right, paper, plastic, clean and light. Tony learns what waste should be, helping nurse stay fresh and free. Recycle time, so fun and bright. Big truck drives to station gate, carrying waste that must not wait. Machines are working all around, clean new system can be found. Dump it, helps the city great. City sparkles clean again, no more dust or dirty stain. People clap and cheer for Tony, smiling bright and feeling funny. Big great job, joy remains. Sun is glowing warm and low, clean streets beautifully show. Tony waves with proud delight.